Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to buy Shiba Inu on Binance? Today I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu coin on Binance. First of all, open the Binance app or go to binance.com. Then log into your account. Make sure you have completed verification to enable trading. Now, tap Buy Crypto. Then choose a payment method like credit or debit card, P2P, or bank transfer. In the search bar, type Shiba Inu and select it as the coin you want to buy. Enter how much SHIB you want to buy, or choose the amount in USD, EUR, or your local currency. Tap Buy Now, review the details, and complete the payment. Your SHIB will be credited to your Binance wallet instantly. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.